Hey everyone, welcome to Velo's channel. Today I'll show you how to find the love amulet in Terraria. First, start a single player game and create a new world. Use seed 1887 31 51 51. Click submit. This gives us a small corruption world. Oops. Let's try again. 1887 31 51 51. There, creating now. We'll wait for it to generate. After spawning, head right toward the jungle. Let's descend here and dig down. After reaching the caves, go right. Keep going down, then left. Descend here. Now, go this way. Keep going down. Follow the minecart tracks to the left. You'll soon see a house. Enter it to find our amulet. This was Velor. See you next time.